Come along with me to Lumberton, North Carolina, where I recently stayed at the Fairfield Inn by Marriott. We will do a hotel review, so come along with me and we'll look at the property, my room, and my overall experience. Because I travel with mobility issues, I'll really be looking at the property from the standpoint of accessibility. Were there roll-in showers? Did they have different accessibility features? We'll see as we check out the Fairfield in Lumberton, North Carolina. We're going to review the Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott. They have a covered entrance here, so you can register and get your information. Let's go on in. Sliding glass entry door, simple transition, nice reservation area. They have a lower ledge for anyone that needs that extra assistance. They do have 24-hour coffee available. It's a Keurig. You have several things to choose from. They do have a lounging area here, very spacious. If you need to print out boarding passes or check your email, you can do that here. Big table to have breakfast in the morning or play cards in the evening. Nice large TV. We'll check out the breakfast in the morning. If you do need a luggage rack, they have those available in the cart room. We're checking out the 2-queen handicap accessible room 135. It's the electronic key. Smooth transition here. These are newly remodeled. The new furniture will be here this month. Step into the hallway, full-length mirror. You have the ironing board, places to store things, a luggage rack. 2-queen, look at this. A shared nightstand, lamp, electric chargers there, USB on the QB time clock, your logoed telephone, notepad, pen, storage down below, dresser drawer, got the Bible there, 3 pillows per bed. Bedding looks really nice. I'll have a full review in the morning. A nice chair in the corner, blackout curtains. The controls are on this wall AC unit, actually HVAC unit. Turning the corner, you got a desk. I've already got the computer out because I'll be editing videos. Your microwave, coffee maker. Looks like they have cafe valet, ice bucket, nice 4-drawer set of dresser drawers, the TV with remote control. This is nice carpeting. It's new. Like I said, this is newly remodeled. Let's take one final look at the beds. Very, very nice. And now we're going to check out the restroom. The restroom has a walk-in shower. You can see just a little lip there. Adjustable shower head, a ledge, Alice Botanical, shampoo, separate conditioner, a second shower head that's detachable here, and the chair. Look at that nice tile. Plenty of soft. Marriott's known for their linens. Toilet with the handlebars. Sunken undermount sink. More products. Nice mirror here. I didn't mention the handlebars here. And then the shower curtain does not go to the floor, so you don't have any tripping hazards. 2 hooks. Plenty of electrical outlets. Smooth transition. If you've forgotten anything or need a snack, they have things available in their little market here. Cold drinks, laundry supplies, over-the-counter prescriptions, and because there is a microwave in each room, they do have some little microwavable products. Very nice fitness center, free weights, machines, and then over here they have towels and water, as well as a telephone to get the front desk. And they do have rules. The laundry is 30 cents for the washing machine, and dryer is $2.50. They are 30-minute cycles, and you can see that these are energy saver commercial washers and dryer. A space to fold your laundry. This is located on the first floor. Look at this outdoor pool. This is very nice. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Hotel is located next door to the Cracker Barrel here in Lumberton, North Carolina. Coffee, half and half, all the creamers you could need, tea, hot water, nice coffee bar provided. Hard-boiled eggs, scrambled eggs. This is the strawberry topping for those waffles. They do have bacon, and these are jalapeno muffins. Look at that. I'm gonna give that a try. That's new for me. Put in the comments below if you know that Marriott's, especially Fairfield Inn, are adding jalapeno muffins to their breakfast. So travelers, the big question, was the Fairfield Inn Suites located in Lumberton, North Carolina worth the stay? For me, the answer is absolutely yes. I had a great night's sleep. The mattress was awesome. Linens were so very comfortable. And one of the biggest positives for me, I didn't hear any noise throughout the night. And that makes a huge difference when you're stopping to rest during a road trip. Now let's talk about the restroom. You saw it. That's another win. Great shower. Really enjoyed those shower products provided by Marriott. Breakfast was your standard hotel breakfast, but the surprise for me were those jalapeno cheddar biscuits. I had never seen those before at a Marriott breakfast. I really enjoyed them. They were very different. Another feature I really appreciated was the on-site laundry. When you slow travel like I do, you need to be able to wash your laundry. It's a huge convenience. Overall, my stay here was very comfortable. I slept well, and this property gave me everything I needed on a road trip. So you're probably thinking, travelers, would she stay here again? Absolutely. I would definitely stay here again. Was it worth my money? It was absolutely worth it. I'm Mary with Travel Beyond Limits, where we believe in real travel, real accessibility, and real adventure. Safe travels. God bless.